Hi friends, it's Jenny, and I am here to open day 5 of the Gemstone Orphanage 14 Days of Love Advent Calendar. Now, this Advent box is being opened, all the official openings, I guess you might say, across several channels. Beki and Jenny Beating Together. I'm Jenny, so we're on that channel. Colleen Marie Designs and Kryssy. We're also collaborating with the Homestrung Jewelry channel. That is where Gemstone Orphanage is. So Homestrung Jewelry is Gemstone Orphanage. And I was thinking about it, and I know that a lot of our viewers watch on their TVs, and I wasn't sure because I know that it's really difficult to get to the descriptions if you're watching on the television. So I'm acknowledging that because I watch on the television all the time too. If you're watching on your TV, and you want to get to the other channels that are part of this reveal that we're doing, there is another way to do that. The links are still going to be in the description if you're navigating that way. But also, because we're using the collaboration feature, it's also very easy to get to the channels of all the collaborators, no matter what device you're using to watch on. So if you bring up your menu, if you're on the TV, by arrowing up during the video, and then arrow to the left, you'll see a cluster of channel icons. And if you click or tap on that icon, you can also tap on that icon if you're watching on your phone or a tablet, it will pull up the list of all the collaborators, and you can use that to go to the different channels to subscribe. So it is actually easy to get to there. You don't have to have access to the description to find the other channels, because the best way to make sure that you don't miss any of these opening videos, even though we are collaborating and it'll be on your feed because of that, you won't get notifications unless you're actually following the channel who makes that day's video. So I just want to put that out there in case you didn't know that that's one of the features of the collaboration function. Is part of how that works is being able to get to your list of collaborators by just, tapping on the little cluster of channel icons that will pop up right about here on your TV screen if you arrow up and then arrow over. So just want to put that out there. But also, I was also giving you a couple of minutes. So if you weren't ready to see yet what's in day 5, then you've had a chance to save and come back to us. So I have what I have right here in my box. We have some cherry blossom jasper, some cherry blossom agate, these wonderful shaped glass, the butterflies and the fishies. And then Beki opened a couple of days ago, and I saw in Kryssy's video that her boot looked different than Beki's boot, which looks different than my boot. So I don't know what other boot selections are out there. I've seen this one with the chili peppers because that's mine. Mine's a bit spicier than Beki's, and it's a pink boot. And then Beki also has a pink boot, but it has a heart. And then Kryssy's was a green boot and had what looked like either oranges or lemons. I couldn't tell if it was yellow or orange, but some type of citrus fruit on it. So very fun. If you got a different kind of boot, let us know. All right, no more dilly-dallying. Let's find out what is in day 5. If I can get this here we go. I just have to get it untied. I was trying to pull it apart before untying it. That's quite silly of me. All right, so in here we have, okay, so this has some of our findings. I was wondering. So we've got stainless steel lobster claws, a lobster clasp, a toggle clasp, CZ ear huggy hoops, and ear studs. And those ear studs are nickel free. Chances are these stainless steel are the quality that is also nickel free. Not all stainless steel is, some grades aren't. But we'll check any of the metals. But since she knew that this was nickel free, she went ahead and included that information, so I know for sure I could use them. But let's take a look at these. I'm excited. This is fun. We get to start seeing some of the findings because Debbie puts together fantastic. What are those? Earbacks? These earbacks are stars, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's a lot going on here. Let me get in here. So we have First, we have the lobster claw. So we've got the stainless steel lobster claw, pretty standard, right? And then we've got our toggle clasp. Look at that kind of braided rope design that it's got going on. I don't know if it's rope or it's just textured, but it feels that way. Might even kind of look like chain if you look closely at it. Yeah, a bit more like chain. That's cool. It looks like chain. And then these are the huggy hoops. So what you do is you pull them apart like this. There's a hinge near the loop. And this is the part that goes through the ear, and then you snap it closed, kind of like a lever back. And then you've got an open loop right here that you can attach and then close it to keep your ear, whatever you're gonna dangle there. But it's got these really pretty CZ. How pretty are those? I love those. Okay, and then we have these posts, and look at how Art Deco these are. So it's got these really pretty Art Deco posts with that super sparkly CZ. And there are some, I think these are earring backs. Yeah, but they're like a silicone star. Let me take the back off of this. See if I read this right. Oh, and there are two of the lobster clasps. So 2 lobster clasps. Okay, I'm having a hard time getting this red part off. It's because I'm trying to do it all gently and stuff because I'm on camera. Oh, there we go. Okay, so then if we take this, is that what this is? It is what this is. It's a star-shaped, so it's got an ear nut inside it, like a little metal ear nut, but it's like covered in a silicone star. How cool. I have never seen that before. So that's what those are. So if you have your little silicone bit, that's what that's for, is for your post earring. I'm going to go ahead and take off. This is to help protect it and to protect other things from it. You know, you don't want the post from one earring to scratch up your CZ, right? But you've got this going on. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, that's what those are. Those are the ear backs. Okay, so we have started to get some findings. Stainless steel, silver tone, beautiful sparkle. This is going to be a lot of fun. I am really excited. We are going to be doing a live on February 15th after we finished opening all of the advent. It's going to be on the Beki and Jenny Beading Together channel. And we're going to do a make along with what we've got going right here. Also, that same day, any of the box extras, and I don't know yet which are going to be the box extras. I do know that Debbie told me that in addition to additional quantities of certain items from the collection itself, there were other items that she ordered thinking she might put it in the advent box, and for one reason or another, either wasn't able to or chose not to include it, and that those things, so some coordinating items, will also go into the Adopt a Box section of the website on the 15th. So that, you know, we don't have any spoilers, right? Because y'all are opening with us. And I love that. I love that we get to share this. So I know we've been going kind of in order here, and I'm going to break with tradition because I always put my findings near the bottom of the box. I originally was like putting my beads wherever I thought I might want to put them based on what I was guessing was coming up. But then I'm like, oh, I'll follow the same lines as everybody else. But I'm going to put these in a different spot because I usually put my findings down here. Actually put them over on this side. There we go. And I might move some of this stuff around. I probably will by the time this is all done and we're doing stuff. But here we have our 5 days so far. So if you have been following along, you know that we are sharing this between our channels. And guess what, my friends? Colleen is ready to do hers. So tomorrow's opening is going to be on Colleen Marie Designs. So if you're not already subscribed to her, A, why not? Because she's delightful. And B, go ahead and get subscribed so that you know when she posts her video, because that is coming up. She's opening day 6 for us. And I'm really excited to see what she's opening, because I'm opening along with my friends and just, you know, see what she thinks of it, see what she thinks of all this in general, because this is the first time we're seeing what she thinks so far. So yeah, I'm excited. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I hope that you're having fun with this. I know that I am. I am loving this Advent experience with the Gemstone Orphanage, and yeah, we're just going to keep on keeping on. So watch for Colleen's video. All of the links and everything are in the description. And like I said, if you still need to follow some of the other channels, there are other ways besides the links in the description that you can find them. Using that cluster of collaborators is one of those ways. Anyway, I hope that you have a wonderful time. Look at what we've got so far. And yeah. We're going to have a great time. Anyway, thank you. Have fun. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And as always, friends, happy beading. And don't forget to play. Bye.